control battery power lights via the mobile app. First, need to switch the power lights to wireless Wi-Fi operation mode. When a serial number starting with L is displayed, and the Wi-Fi indicator light is flashing, search for the LED lamp app in your phone's App Store and install it on your phone. Next, open your phone's settings, go to Wi-Fi settings, and search for the power light's Wi-Fi network, which usually starts with O. Tap the plus in the upper right corner to create. Select stage, and then choose LED light. When connection successful is displayed, you can then control. Simply press a color to change the light's color. In the mode function, can select automatic effect.